What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be installing my little triple pillar gauge pod here for the A pillar, which I have here, new from Glowshift. Did get the gray one so it can match. It is like a tiny shade lighter, but it's not really noticeable. But it'll go on like this. It'll be like that. I just gotta drill those holes. I'm gonna try using the little things that it came with. Came with these little plastic like push pin things. You just gotta drill little holes and then push those in. So I'm gonna try using those, see how well they hold it. And if they don't hold it that well, I'll just use some self-tappers. So once you just put 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. The 7/32. Oh. Alright. So I'll probably just take this factory one off here. Just like that, pops off. Alright, so I got it all electrical taped in the spot I want it, so I can drill my holes. So I'll drill these 4 holes and then see how that goes. See if these little push pins hold it in there pretty good. We got these holes drilled. Now these things right here should just go right in. That one's like kind of in there. So unfortunately, one of these little tabs right here broke. The top piece split when I was pushing it in, and the back just came off, so you can't really tell. So I'm just gonna leave that little. I'm just gonna super glue this little head part in there, and then just super glue around the edges a little bit, just to hold it extra. You know, just to keep it on there a little better. But these other 3 went in there pretty good. They definitely hold it on there pretty tight. So I'm gonna go super glue this, let it dry, and then I should be able to put it in there, or I'm gonna have to cut these little things out here so I can get the gauges in there and all the wiring. But other than that, it should be pretty set. Alright, so we got our pillar here all glued. I just super glued all the little things, you know, also around the edge here. So I don't think it's going nowhere. Now I'm gonna drill out the backs of these. Alright, so I just drilled some little slots in there for now. So I'm gonna see if that'll work, just to run the wires through and stuff, and then I might not have to cut it out because the gauges should slide right in there. But now I'm gonna put this back on the car and then see what it looks like. Alright, so I got this pillar snapped back into place. It looks pretty good. I don't have the gauges in it yet. I'll put those in for another video. And yep, it's all snapped in. It's on there pretty good. I also got a carbon fiber antenna delete. I didn't really make a video putting that on, but it's just these 2 screws, and just disconnect the antenna, put that one on. But it looks pretty good, a lot better than the stock one. Ready to fix some rust here.